It's my nighttime lap around the flat because I've not been out today, and it's dawned on me at night. Look at that wood pigeon poo, I suspect. It's dawned on me that I can get my little nature fix instead of going up there to Oxford Road. Just walk around the flats, get a little bit of exercise, last little bit of sunlight. I've been working hard today editing my Take That video, trying to make the sound on my iMovie better, but it's gone weird. This is one of the most beautiful willow trees I've ever seen, and I stand here and speak to the trees. Now I've decided that I'm making nature documentaries. I might as well let you into all my little secrets. This is Wichita, the birch. I can't remember why I called her Wichita. Witch hazel. Wichita line. I can't remember. She's called Wichita anyway, because she's beautiful. Is she good? Whoa, look at her. Golden hour. Yay. And this is Obs willow. I can hear goldfinches. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, golly. Oh, wow. I've never seen her lit up like that. I only met her in winter, so I haven't really paid her much attention. Oh, whoa. 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 Oh, I've gone dizzy. Don't do that. Right, okay. Spin round on a traffic cone. Wow, Willow. And you're doing very well. You're in fine fettle. Look at your beautiful golden branches, and you've got goldfinches in you too. Is there anything more beautiful than a weeping willow? Here's little holly. I think that might be lilac. Holly and lilac. The holly and the lilac. That's another birch, I believe. I know the tree lady in Birchfields Park, Jane Morris. She's got an allotment there. She really knows about the trees. Hello, Rooden Dooden Dilly Dally. Hello, Ivy. So I'm sure she'll correct me and add a lot more to bring a lot more to the party. Who's that? Is that a sycamore? Oh no, I don't know what that is. It's got quite round leaves. Is it lime? Could also do a bit of spider safari. What's that? It's a hummock. Oh, they've cut it back. Right, okay, so I think that is a linden, a lime tree, and they've cut... I thought we had a big grassy knoll, but we've got some kind of knoll. Okay, it's a knoll. What lives in the knoll? What a haven for wildlife in there. Hi. Who's that? Don't know who that is. So, I've come out in my Crocs, which are very difficult to walk in. How do people walk in these? They're like rough and floppy and thin on my toots. Right, so this is the back of our flats. Oh, there's Cactus House, the Cactusarium, and I've never actually seen the person who owns the cactus, but I would like to, because I want to donate them a cactus, because there's no room for us to keep cactus growing equipment in our flat. Who's this? Ooh, is that some kind of oak? Wow, I love it here, because that little bit there is our own personal, private bit of woodland. Hello, hawthorn. Yeah, so these are the trees on my patch. Hello, sycamore. 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 I need to think of a name for sycamore. Oh, I could just call it sycamore. This blight on the horse chestnut is awful. Jane Morris, the tree lady, said it does not affect the yield of conkers. But it... Oh, God. Actually, you know what? It's not as bad as it has been, because by, like, September, they look like it's autumn, but it's not. They just go brown and crinkly. It's like a blight on them. Oh, dear. Oh, dear, horse chestnut. Biggest leaves in Northern Europe. Oh, hey, we're getting to some smellies. Someone smelly, Lord, come by. Oh, look at you. Whoa, what was there? Just a lone rose. Oh, you've got ants. I think that might be the first time I've seen ants this year. And also my camera does not film close up. It's an action camera, not an insect camera. It's pretty hard to see the screen, to be honest. Oh, yeah, baby golden hour. Yeah, baby golden hour. Hello, hydrangea. You are so pink. One in the pink and one in the... Check out our grassy knolls. There's a Viz character who is... Viz is a comic, an adult comic with very funny characters. And one of the characters is called Grassy Nollington, and he's a conspiracy theorist. Look at the grassy knoll and the fabulous cherry roots, which are, I've noticed, fatter than the tree. Oh my God, they are fatter than the tree. Hello. You've got a bit of elephantiasis going on there. Right. Grassy knoll. Look out. JFK. It's Honeysuckle. There she is. Hi, honey. Start of the Honeysuckle video. Is this my house? No. Oh my God, there's two honeysuckles. I didn't know. Oh, golly. Oh, she's got a twin. Right, okay. So I live in the one down there. OMG, honey. It's not as nice as mine because I fertilise mine. Oh, hope they enjoy their honeysuckle. Thought that was my flat then. I had to look in the window to see the furniture to test it. Look. Cherry's roots. Roots. All the way. Wow, massive. What? My God, you wouldn't want this under your house. You'd knock it down. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. It is cray cray. Ah. Home sweet home. Not done my hair, not done my makeup, but there is a hoverfly. Hi, hover. Hover bother. Hello, baby. Oh, I love hoverflies. They're my favourite insect. I know I have a lot of favourite things, but genuinely, hoverflies are my favourite insect. Can't film it. Hello. Okay, well, I've done me lap around the flat. Me rock around the clock. Oh. I'm going to have to go around the front to ring the buzzer. Oh, look at our flat. It looks a right mess. There's a mop and a towel in the window. And an old stereo. Deary me. That's Philip, that is, it's not me. Through the alcove echo. Boop. That's good. This is the jungle zone, like we're in the Crystal Maze.